Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the series Prep Talks. The series Prep Talks is quite close to me. Throughout the series, we will be helping the students in CA Final, CA Inter or CA Foundation to overcome the difficulties which I myself have faced as being a student during my CA examinations. Through my own experience, I would try to find out solutions for all your dilemmas, all your questions through this series. Beginning with today's episode, our topic is revision. Revision is quite a big question which comes in every student's mind, whether he's in CA final, inter, or foundation, irrespective of the level of examination. The three basic questions comes in the mind of a student which I could put in front of yourself from my own experience, or rather which I have myself during the time of my preparation. The three questions were in my mind: how much time to revise, what to revise, and how to revise. The first question, how much time to revise? Let me make you clear that there is no such hard and fast rules that the revision should be done at least this number of times before appearing for your examination. Rather, it's subjective. By subjective, I means that it differs from student to student. In my opinion, revision should be that much which gives you ample amount of confidence to appear in the examination. If you're okay with 3, go for it, or even it takes 4 times, go for it. Even in my case, means when I was in CA final exam, I was pretty confused that how much time should I revise my entire syllabus before appearing for exam. Many of my friends told me that you should at least revise 3, but I was not able to revise the syllabus 3 times. Rather, I completed revision of my syllabus only twice, and I was pretty confident that if I appear in examination, I will clear it. So the same happened, and with the favor of luck, I cleared my CA final attempt in the very first time with twice of revision. So the question of how much time to revise depends from student to student. The quantification of the amount of revision shall be solely based on confidence. If you're able to achieve confidence within 2, that's okay for you. The 2 is a lucky number for you, go for it. And same is the case with 3, 4, 5 or even 6. Moving on to the next question, what to revise? By the time your preparation ends, or rather the first reading and the second reading ends, you would be able to segregate your topics into ABC analysis. Means on the basis of importance, you should be able to sort out your syllabus. If you're not able to do that, we will help you out. We are here to help you. Put your queries in the comment section. We will help you making the ABC analysis further. In our future videos, we will putting forward subject-wise ABC analysis of all levels of CA. So it will help you in a better way. The question of how to revise gets solved by the strategy, by the plans you make for the revision. Like, I will be revising this at this time, this at this time, and before exam, or rather in 1.5 days, I will be going through these topics and I will be leaving these topics which I have revised earlier. So that, suppose, take an example of law. In law, there are 2 basic concepts. One is company law, total comprising of 14 to 15 chapters, and economic law comprising of 5 to 6 chapters, and SEBI law which comprises of 4 to 5 chapters. I may not be correct with the counting, but yes, it's around like that. During my preparation, what I did is, in the law, I revised SEBI only twice, and I revised economic law and company law thrice. So there should be a well-designed strategy which will help you out overcome the fear of examination by being confident through your revision strategies. If you're not able to prepare a strategy, reach out to us. We will help you out at free of cost. Moving on to the very last question, how to revise. How to revise is closely linked to what to revise. So once strategy is being laid out that what you want to revise, you will be very clear that how you should revise this, how much time you should devote to each in the revision, and how much time you should avoid. Yes, avoid. How much time you should avoid wasting in topics which are not that much important by revising it multiple times. There are many topics in the syllabus which doesn't require revision thrice or 4 times. Rather, it's an easy concept which you will grab, which you can retain with just first or second revision. So once your strategy is laid out and you have made an ABC analysis of all subjects, you would be very easily able to realize how much to revise, what to revise, and how to revise. Therefore, before ending today's video, I want to ask all the CA students, whether in final, foundation or inter, If you have any questions regarding your revision strategy or the plans or the ABC analysis, you can reach out to us over the handles provided in the description, or put your question in the comment section, and we will be glad to help you out. In our next video, we will be trying to bring ABC analysis of various subjects so that it will help you in preparation and revision strategies. So that's it for today. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.